Problem 2. For the given figure, calculate the values of x, y, and z. Solution. To calculate the value of x, we shall form an equation and then solve it. Z equals 30 degrees, as the two angles are vertically opposite angles. 2x minus 50 equals 15 plus x, as these two sets of angles are also vertically opposite angles. Hence, x equals 15 plus 50 equals 65 degrees. Z plus 2x minus 50 plus y equals 180 degrees, as adjacent angles on a straight line equal 180 degrees. Substituting the values of x and z, we get 30 plus 130 minus 50 plus y equals 180 degrees. Hence, y equals 180 plus 50 minus 130 minus 30 equals 70 degrees.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.